Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Afterpay in your Cash App. This is actually a new feature on Cash App. So in order for you to use that feature, looking here on the screen is my Cash App. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the dollar sign, you can see transaction history, and also $30 right here, which is actually your balance. So let's say you click on it like this, you can see that this is my cash balance. So looking right here, when you scroll down like this, so let's say you scroll down gently like this, looking here you can see borrow, you can see taxes, you can see family, and you can also see Afterpay. So right here you need to go ahead and click on start on Afterpay. You can see Afterpay right here, so let's go ahead and click on start. So looking right here on the screen, it says here pay over time with Afterpay, switch recent transaction to Afterpay, no credit checks. So right here you can see available to get back $50. Now this might actually increase based on how you use the Cash App. So right here you can see where it says switch to Afterpay. So you can easily go ahead and click on switch to Afterpay like this. So right here below the switch to Afterpay, you can see no eligible transaction. So clicking on that like this, looking here are the criteria you need to actually pass in order for you to be able to switch to Afterpay. Now first, you need to have used the Cash App card. And secondly, you need to have between $25 to $50 in your Cash App, and also you need to have used the Cash App card for at least the last 30 days. And also when you apply for this, it is actually going to take 1 to 2 days before it is actually going to start showing on your own account. So these are the criteria you need to pass in order for you to be able to switch your recent transaction to Afterpay on your Cash App. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.